Hey everyone, it's the HVAC Repair Guy. Today we're putting two heavy hitters head to head in a classic entry-level showdown. We're looking at the Airtemp VSA3BF versus the Ameristar A4AC5. Both of these are ducted split air conditioners sitting right in that basic performance tier. If you're looking for a budget-friendly swap that won't break the bank, you've likely seen these two on the list. Let's see which one actually earns its keep. When we talk about entry-level units, the cabinet is your first line of defense. Both the Airtemp VSA3BF and the Ameristar A4AC5 come with non-louvered coils. Now, listen close. As a repairman, I see what happens to exposed coils. Without those protective metal louvers, your coil fins are sitting ducks for hail, stray rocks from the mower, or even the neighbor's dog. When those fins get flattened, your head pressures go up and your efficiency goes right out the window. If you're installing either of these, you better make sure they're in a protected spot. On the efficiency side, it's a dead heat. Both units are pulling a 15.2 SEER rating. That's solid for a basic tier unit and will definitely save you some coin over an old 10 SEER relic. But what about your ears? The Airtemp VSA3BF clocks in at 73 decibels, while the Ameristar A4AC5 is just a hair louder at 74 decibels. Now, a 1 dB difference isn't huge, but in a world of even matches, every little bit of quiet counts when you're trying to enjoy a BBQ on the patio. Have you ever had a unit killed by hail because the coil was exposed? Or maybe you've had one of these brands installed recently. Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. It helps the whole community. This is where the real separation happens. Both brands give you the standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranties. But check this out. Airtemp steps up with a 1-year unit replacement warranty. That means if your compressor fails in that first year, they don't just swap the part, they swap the whole outdoor unit. Ameristar offers 0 years of unit replacement. In the warranty hierarchy, that no-hassle replacement is a massive safety net that Ameristar just isn't matching here. So, who wins this battle of the basics? They have the same SEER, similar noise levels, and both have that vulnerable open coil design. But because the Airtemp VSA3BF gives you that 1-year unit replacement guarantee and runs just a tiny bit quieter at 73 dB, Airtemp takes the win today. It's built the same, but it's backed better. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.